Hello and welcome back to my channel. Paul here again. Hello to all the electrical skateboard fanatics and to all DIY fanatics. My channel is mostly about DIY, doing stuff yourself. To all the new viewers, do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to check out 230 plus videos that are already available on my channel, where I talk about pretty much everything possible about electrical skateboarding and doing bits yourself. So I want to try something different, guys. So I'm going to tell you straight away in the beginning of the video what to expect in this video, so you can either skip or stop watching or carry on watching. So here we go. In this video we're going to talk quickly about my plans for the next 5 to 6 weeks. I'm going to tell you what videos are already available on my channel that are relevant to my new DIY build. And to finish the video off, we're going to talk about beginning of a new series of videos that are called Let's Build the Battery with SPAF. And we're going to start talking about cells, type of cells, what to look out for, and what cells to choose. Not sure, probably a bit too heavy for one video. But you know what? You guys tell me if it is too heavy for one single video. But I'm just too passionate about sharing that info with you guys, and I just want to get it out there quickly. So here we go. I'm looking out for your comments, positive or negative, doesn't matter. Please let me know what you think. Please tell me how to improve the videos. Please tell me what to do and what not to do, what you liked about them and what you did not like about them. It helps me a lot. I do not take it personally. I do not get upset if somebody didn't like it. That's fine. We're all people, we all got opinions. But anyway, now let's crack on with the video. So the plans for the 5 to 6 weeks. We're going to talk about building the battery and actually build the battery step by step. We're going to slowly build new board. It's going to be a mixed terrain, street and off-road board. So pretty much board that is comfortable during racing, during massive ride-outs with other people, off-road, some jumps, not as crazy as Tramper. You cannot be Tramper on the jumps, but something that is universal. People who are already watching my channel for a while, they do know I like details. So I will make a lot of videos. For instance, when I've built my Beast DIY board with the battery in the backpack, I think it took me about 27 videos to cover it all. I'm not gonna go this mad this time, but still, I'm estimating about 10 to 12 videos about building a new board, and also 3 to 4 videos about building a battery home safely yourself. Videos that are already on my channel that do cover parts that will be used for my new DIY board. Number 1. Manta Pro deck. I even went to extent of driving this poor board with my 3.5 ton truck, and those are the battle marks. I will leave the video on the link in the description below. It is a cool video. Well, I think I do actually like it. Gear drives by 3D Services. Absolutely gorgeous and very affordable set of gear drives and hangers. Full review already on my channel. Link as you guessed. We got the aluminium gear right here. That is going to be connected to your motor. So installation of the motor is very simple. You take VESCs, or the speed controllers that I'm going to use for my board. Full review already on my channel. Yes, link below.
I don't recommend you taking it apart. I've only done it for you guys so you can see what's inside.
An enclosure by BB Enclosures by Big Ben. Custom enclosure for the Mark 1 Pro deck. Full review is already on my channel, so check it out. An absolutely perfect enclosure to match Mark 1 Pro deck. Absolutely awesome. Remotes. I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna go for FlipSky VX2 Pro or my favorite Tramper wand, which is at the moment connected to my Beast board. Not sure, but again, both of these are already described and reviewed, especially the wand, in a massive detail, and videos are available. Check them out. And this is how the beautiful wand looks like. It's an awesome remote. You can also be on the speed that you like, and while you're on it, just press the cruise control button and the boat takes over. I'm debating now, guys. I really want to spend a good 15 minutes or so talking about the cells, and I'm ready to do it in this video. I've got different types of cells with me, prices, amps, discharge rates and everything else, but I think it's a bit too heavy for this video, especially after comments that you guys leave me, which are very valuable, that the videos are a bit long and heavy to watch. So let's do it this way. Still let me know what you think, if I should have done this cell thing in this video, or is it already enough? I will probably stop here, so please stay tuned. I will be out again next Wednesday. Every Wednesday I do upload a video. I've been doing it and will be doing it, so stay tuned every Wednesday, guys, unless something really horrible will go wrong. Fingers crossed it will not. So thank you for watching. Please be careful, please be safe, ride safely if you do get out, which is really nice to get out. Awesome. I just did a review of the Evolve wheels and that was absolutely spot on. I loved it. But be careful, because right now you really don't want to go to the hospital or E&E with a broken leg or twisted ankle. Doctor's got enough on their plate as it is, so take it easy, ride it slow. We'll have our time to rip up very soon. So next video, everything you need to know about cells. See you soon.